Will Nixon, Level 3 Kubota training scheme.
My name's Jack and I'm doing the Level 3 Kubota diploma.
I've always been interested in agriculture and I've always wanted to fix things, especially since I was younger. I've always been helping on the farm to fix our own equipment.
I was kind of born in and around farming and machinery. I've always been around machinery since I was little. It was always one of our biggest things on the farm. When something broke down, we needed to get it fixed, so there was always something I was interested in. If someone was in fixing something, I was always having a look.
The course covers a wide range, looking at hydraulics, cultivation, combines, gearbox systems, electrics, just overall range of everything to do with agricultural machinery, really.
The course involves a lot of different things, from hydraulics to electrics to your combines, your forage harvesters, ploughs, everything.
The part I most enjoy about the course is working with things that I'm interested in and learning things that are going to benefit me and people around me in later life when I'm fully qualified.
The thing I enjoy most about the course is you're not just cooked up in the classroom. You do a little bit in the classroom and then you're out doing it in practice. So for me, it keeps me entertained the whole time. You don't get bored just sitting there.
I'd say definitely go for it if it's something you're interested in, because at the minute the industry is lacking the people to perform the tasks that need doing, and it's something that you enjoy, then I'd definitely go for it.
What I would say for anyone looking to get into the industry is go and give it a go. If you don't like it, well, it's not for you. If it is, it would be really beneficial to the industry, because there's people in short supply that's willing to do this kind of work.